Guys, Skyler 1640 here. I'm back for another video. I'm going to show you guys how to do the 2.7 to 3.5 swap. The things you would need are the wiring harness, AC compressor, and the actual engine mounts for to the block for the engine. And you need the engine mounts as well. And yeah, I'll show you guys how to do the swap, and it's very easy. Cody the car guy's have been doing this. He had success doing the swap, and other people on YouTube had success. So I have a 2010 Dodge Charger with a 2.7. The engine blowed up on it not too long ago, and last year it blew up on the side of the road and locked up. Piece of crap 2.7 or junk. So the wind's blowing, so my camera has a wind blowing feature that prevents the wind from being picked up. So let's open the hood here, show you what I got. Here we go. I took the top of the intake manifold off. I'm getting the old wiring harness out of my way. I don't need this. I need a 3.5 wiring harness. There's the intake manifold. This one doesn't have that, so I'm probably going to buy a 3.5 without that intake manifold right there, but there'd be one right here for it, so I should be fine on the swap. But on this car, there are 5 transmission wires. I'll go underneath the car and show you. So there's one green one, 2, there's a black one, another one, and there's another one right there. As you guys can see, the transmission wires, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. The other one's on the other side, it's a brown wire. I'll show you guys real quick if I can get the camera back there. So show you guys all the transmission wires, and you need the AC compressor as well, because the mounting stuff's a lot different, and you would need that. So different AC compressor. This one right here, this compressor, looks like the mounting stuff is different, so you need to swap out AC compressor and AC compressor lines as well. So I won't forget that. I'll put that in the first video. Look at that. So there we go. There's 5 transmission wires. They're all hooked to that. There's a brown one on top. There's a brown one on top as well. So y'all know what I'm talking about when y'all get up there. So I already got the exhaust dropped. I'm working on unloosening the bolt to that, and we're gonna drop the exhaust and gonna undo the transmission to engine mounts. Undo the transmission to engine, which there's probably like 5 or 6 bolts all the way around, but I'm not really sure. The inspection plate is right there, as you guys can see. It'll be right there. So you take that plate off, and you'll be able to get to the torque converter bolts and unloosen torque converter bolts. I already moved the fan shroud and get rid of all the antifreeze and everything, so the swap should be easy. So we'll see what happens, and your actual ECU will work with the car, so your actual computer will work, so you don't have to worry about that at all. So that's good on the swap. And yeah, all you need to do is change out the AC compressor lines. The power steering pump will work, and the alternator will work. All that stuff will work besides the AC compressor in the different lines and bins. That's not going to work. The AC compressor won't work, so you need to change out to 3.5 lines. So I'll talk to you guys later. I've been really busy lately. I'll be getting some glasses this week, so to help me see in the right eye. So talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll talk to you guys later on. Bye guys. Please like and subscribe, and hope this helps y'all out with the swap. The part 2 will be when I get it running, up and running and stuff, so y'all stay tuned for that. It's going to take a while, so we'll get this car going, and it'll be a successful swap. So see you guys later. Bye bye.